all clarity, curiosity, and just the right amount of caffeine. Today's stories are built to spark ideas. We have got a serious infrastructure alliance between aZen and CLOAD, the on-chain energy of funnAI, a memory upgrade for Rust developers, and ICP quietly leading the charts where it matters most. If you would like to support independent reporting at Ledger Life, our donation wallets are in the description. Let's get in. When two platforms that care about infrastructure, real infrastructure, join forces, something usually gets faster, cheaper, or more intelligent. In this case, maybe all three. CLOAD and aZen protocol have joined hands or maybe cables to bridge what's often missing in decentralized AI systems, that is coordination. Not just between users and applications, but between compute, storage, and real-world usability. aZen has been steadily working on the hardware and software side of decentralized AI. They have been building something called DeepIn, which is short for Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks. Think of it like this. Instead of one giant data center doing all the thinking, thousands of contributors share the work and AI flows through them like electricity on a grid. That's the vision. Inside the aZen setup, there is ZenHive, which is their decentralized compute engine that distributes tasks across nodes, allowing heavy AI processes to be run without relying on centralized cloud services. And those tasks often handled by ZenAI agents, which is a context-aware AI bots that talk, learn, and help automate. These aren't pre-scripted chatbots. They adapt and react, becoming digital colleagues more than customer service reps. Everything is overseen via the aZen Hub, which is a sort of mission control for AI agents, compute allocation, and user management. And to bring all that power into something usable, it needs storage. Fast, reliable, and decentralized. That's where CLOAD steps in. CLOAD has already made a name in decentralized storage with a focus on privacy, resilience, and developer-friendly access. Whether it's large data sets for training AI or quick front-end file access, their infrastructure handles it. Together, aZen and CLOAD are merging two strengths: computation and storage. The result is an ecosystem where AI agents don't just work smart, they work with a memory. And not just any memory, which is secure, distributed, and user-owned. And there is modularity at the heart of this. These aren't two teams building one walled garden. Developers can plug into aZen's AI agent layer or just use CLOAD storage, whatever suits their app. It's opt-in interoperability. No lock-ins, no need to commit your project to one massive overhaul. There is also something refreshing about the vibe here. They are not selling a revolution or a rebrand, just tools that work better together while still working just fine apart. That's rare in Web3, where announcements often come with too much glitter and not enough grit. But this partnership has depth. It's about ownership, autonomy, and accountability. aZen gives users control over how AI agents behave and evolve. CLOAD ensures that what those agents use, which is data, models, outputs, it is secure and accessible without central choke points. Real-world uses are think AI-powered apps that run at the edge, media editing tools that respond in real time, educational bots that don't phone home to a centralized cloud every 2 seconds. Healthcare platforms that store sensitive data without breaching compliance. It's ambitious but actually executable. And with developers, creators, and businesses all in mind, this alliance doesn't shut out the non-technical crowd. aZen is building interfaces, not just SDKs. And with CLOAD handling the backend lift, it's shaping up to be one of the few systems where building intelligent apps doesn't require a PhD or an AWS build. If you are building, this is the kind of infrastructure you will want to watch. And if you are just using, you might not even notice because it's supposed to feel smooth, not shiny. Give a parrot some ICP and you don't just get a feathered mascot, you get a minor canister. That's the whole idea behind funnAI, the latest all-on-chain protocol that turns AI experimentation into a game, a reward system, and an interactive show. Here is how it works. You send ICP and in return the parrots, digitally of course, hand you a miner, not an NFT but a live smart contract running directly on the internet computer. This miner doesn't just sit in a wallet, it gets to work. The fuNAI team has built a system where these miners solve AI-generated challenges to earn fuNAI tokens. It's all automated, no MetaMask, no bridges, no servers, just canisters, ICP's native smart contracts handling everything from wallet management to AI logic. The Challenger LLM canister is the brains. It uses cycles, think gas on ICP, to generate tasks. Then the miners solve them. The tasks can be puzzles, prompts, or anything the AI dreams up. It's an LLM issuing challenges and another LLM, your miner solving them. All while Parrots narrate the action. That mix of technical brilliance and meme-friendly packaging is part of the charm. Where most AI projects go old grayscale and serious, fuNAI is neon, noisy, and unapologetically fun. It doesn't ask you to be a dev, it just asks you to press go, and yet under the feathers is something serious. On-chain AI computation, scored, ranked, and fully verifiable. You can see the challenge, see the miner's response, and see the reward issued all in real time on-chain, no trust needed. The protocol is just warming up. Later stages promise team challenges, strategy layers, and possibly even user-generated tasks. The gamification is deliberate, it keeps people engaged, it makes the system testable in public, and it brings a layer of fun that decentralized AI sorely needs. The biggest win here is simplicity. You send ICP, you get a working canister. That canister works for you. It learns, it performs, it earns, all inside the chain. No external AI calls, just internet computers' native capacity and a proof of concept for what on-chain AI could really look like when it's live, continuous, and reactive. And yes, the Parrots are loud, but they are building something real, which is an example of how fun can actually be infrastructure. Now, speaking of building and building bigger, internet computer developers just got handed a major upgrade. Think less parrot, more power. Rust developers on the internet computer can now use Wasm64, which lifts the old 4GB memory limit and allows up to 6GB of heap-in canisters. This upgrade is made possible through the latest ICP Rust Canister Development Kit, letting developers build larger, more memory-intensive apps like data analytics or simulations without splitting logic across canisters. Switching to Wasm64 requires manual configuration, recompilation, and testing, as it's not backward compatible with Wasm32. While still in early stages, this shift signals more room for growth and more flexibility for developers working on the ICP platform. And while devs are leveling up with Wasm64, the whole ecosystem is showing signs of serious momentum, not just in tools but in raw output. Internet Computer has emerged as the most active crypto project in terms of developer activity over the past 30 days, with a score of 847.1, far ahead of Chainlink and Cardano, despite having a significantly smaller market cap. This momentum is being driven by ongoing work on AI integration, chain key cryptography, and smart contract scaling. The focus on actual code rather than hype or marketing shows developers are choosing to build on ICP because the tools work and the roadmap is consistent. As projects like Caffeine and Bitfinity gain traction, ICP's GitHub commits are proving more telling than token prices. While others chase attention, ICP is quietly leading where it counts by shipping code. That's a wrap for today. From AI systems getting smarter together to fuNAI proving on-chain can be playful and powerful to dev tools that just keep getting better. If any of these projects caught your eye, we have linked them all in the description. And if you would like to support what we are building here at Ledger Life, our donation wallet is down there too. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.